car really invites you to go fast. Oof! I'm so sorry for the back end. Which pressure should go in?
That's Michael. That's
Anyway, big dog, welcome
On this
back.
exciting episode
Yes.
of Misha Does Cars,
Yes.
he gets to drive my Aston Martin V8 Vantage.
Yes. Huh?
How do you start it?
Oh, brother, there's a button. There's a button.
Oh.
Yeah, but... Lapo is mad that we parked it in front and people cannot get in and out. Anyway, as he's driving away, we had last year a fantastic lap together, following E92 M3. Today we're following that M2 over there. Sorry, we're being followed by 600 horsepower M2. But you're back with more mods.
Yes, sir.
Busy winter.
Yeah. I may financially recover from this one.
Okay.
As we put the twin plate clutch, because the last one was just too heavy and I didn't like it. But with a 2 kilo rotating mass weight saving.
Nice. So it revs
transformed the
better.
car. It's so good.
Yes.
Like you can now sit in traffic and not have to worry about a bad back.
Yeah.
Where do we start? So we've got larger anti-roll bars or sway bars.
Yeah.
Thicker diameter. Bigger brakes front and rear.
Nice CRS tires, same as last year, right? I think.
Same as last year. They are the same tyres.
295 on the back, very grippy, very sticky.
Yeah.
Then here we have 222,
265.
very nice, good size, good turn in.
So set headers from.
Can we see them? Is there anything seeable on the headers?
I had them Cerakoted because I was worried about the heat transfer.
Look at 5 billion cameras. Oh yeah, look at that. Not sure if camera is picking them up, but they're there.
Yeah.
So coated as well, huh?
Yeah, Cerakoted, just because I was worried a little bit about the heat.
Yeah.
But I mean, she's had a couple of hard laps now, and she's been fine.
Yeah.
No fires, which is good.
That's good. That's very important. No, the temperature stayed quite nice, and I even had aircon on, so it was.
Oh, did it work for you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's intermittent.
Yeah. It worked perfectly fine for me, so that was nice. Yeah, power-wise, she's like what, 450-ish or so?
Not even that.
No.
I think it's a tickle over 4.
Oh, nice.
But it just works so well.
Exactly.
The reason why it feels more powerful is because we've taken out the unsprung weight off the wheels.
Yeah.
We're slightly lighter by about 50 kilos because of the mods that we've done.
Yeah.
And the flywheel, it just makes it rev so much nicer.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the loud mode?
Yes. And we didn't get banned, so that was good.
Happy days.
Yeah.
That's always a bonus. It means I can enjoy the rest of my weekend.
Yes. No, that was very good. I forgot I was supercharged. I thought it was.
You're not supercharged. Next year she's supercharging.
Oh
But I
no.
wanted to get the handling on point.
Yeah.
You say, oh no, so it just needs a tickle more power. Do you not think?
Yeah, maybe, but can you not do something with heads and cams and high compression?
It's already there.
Yeah.
When the guys at Aston Martin built this engine,
Yeah.
it's already there at the kind of the peak of what it
Okay.
can get.
Yeah, that's too bad.
Bear in mind, so the 4.3 this, as it sits now,
Yeah.
makes the same amount of power as the Jaguar XFR, or the XR8, which is the supercharged one.
Yeah.
But it's already 4.7 and it's supercharged, and it makes
Yeah.
the same power as a naturally aspirated 4.3.
Wow.
So they've already rung its neck very hard.
Yeah. Yeah, it makes sense. All right. Well, that was really cool. The only point of complaint, so to say,
Still soft on the rear.
soft. It was like it was hitting bump stops in the carousel.
So I don't suppose you remember in the slightest from the last lap that
No.
you did, but we are now 50% stiffer on the rear than
Oh
we
wow.
were.
Nice.
Yes.
Well, before I'm gonna say enjoy the lap, I want to just have a look at the M2 there. Shmi's pulling in as well, so we might do a yellow tandem lap or something. I don't know. But hello.
Hi.
Dobar dan.
Bok.
Na bok.
Kak si Misha?
Dobro, dobro. Koliko konja imaš?
520.
520. You told me 600.
Oh, 520. I have stage 3 turbo,
Ah.
GT 550
Yeah.
with pump. Track map is around there.
Nice.
It
But
goes
yeah.
around 8 seconds, 100 to 200.
Yeah, very good. Also CRS supporting mods. It's an OG M2 with the N55 engine in it. But yeah, so slightly over 500. I thought it was 600, but I also thought that this was 450, but it's just like barely 400. So calculations more or less were slightly off, but equal. So it was good fun.
Yeah.
You filmed as well on a GoPro,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
maybe we can use some of that footage. We can see that. So anyway, big shout out to everyone, and you guys enjoy the lap. I'll maybe go with something yellow. I don't know. We'll see. Ready. I think it's a car I'll be driving later today. Welcome back in Aston Martin. I was so excited to drive this car that I forgot my gloves. So we always need to have a driver excuse. It's nice and loud because it has received new headers. Let's switch off traction. No, yeah, traction is already off. But 7,000 millis then. Off we go. We have a fast M2 behind us of a friend of mine that I drove 2 or 3 years ago in a video called Chivapi Express. He by now has like 600 horsepower or so, but he said he just wants to stay behind and chill, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh. Nice, nice. Need to readjust the feeling of the car, of the gear ratios, because the previous car I drove was my Corvette. So you can do the whole track in third gear basically. Lots of traffic coming up. So nice. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wrong gear. Oh, this car really invites you to go fast. So nice. The noise. So good. That's always nice. Takes a bit of time for the throttle to react, so heel and toe needs to be done delicately in advance. Airport rental at alert, because with the Vitlik license plate. And yellow flag anyway. Woo! Really, really, really nice. What a great car. It's a bit of brake disc vibration happening, but if that's the only sad thing about it, it's a bit difficult for me to make a feel, because I do get slightly sweaty hands. Ooh, that's dangerous, being traffic jam in Vauxhall. Get slightly sweaty hands, so I'm more focused on holding the steering wheel than driving than usually. But yeah. Ratios are not ideal, because ideally you would upshift and downshift again, but that's unnecessary. The grip is so good, and the alignment, when you can do the Metzgesfeld exit like this, and usually Kallenhard too, but there's traffic. accelerator, but nothing happens 2 times. That's the other thing. The really downside is that heel and toe is very difficult because the throttle response is not at this instant, unfortunately. Back at me. Come on. Wrong gear. Blame it on the gloves. Or the lack of them. Oof! I'm so sorry for the back end. Oh man, never had that happen before. Such a good exit. Oh, too bad. So good. Yeah, I apologize for hitting the bump stops in the carousel. In the back as well. Never had that happen before. Usually it's the front that's scraping. Maya. Wow. So good. I mean, we could say that the car maybe would need some aero. Possibly. It would really need it because then it would become too planted. Now it's still playful. And so good. Really enjoying this. I'm flat on the gas. Car has such a great grip. Fuel surge? Is that the old Apex taxi? That looked really like the old Apex taxi. The passenger is sweating in them too. I guess we had a good lap. That was nice. Italians. No, I thought those are Italian friends, and they're not. Alrighty, the verdict. Freaking epic car. Absolutely loved it. Like, the controls, phenomenal. Suspension is a bit soft because hitting the bump stops on the rear, It does offer a lot of grip though on the rear axle. Can we? Oh, thank you. It does offer a lot of grip. But yeah, you should tweak it because it should not be hitting bump stops. Everything else, brakes, fantastic. The emotion, unmatched. And last year we had a nice lap with the E92 M3, which is basically another NA V8 rear-wheel drive GT sports car. Now we had the M2 behind us, sometimes blocked by the Megane. Bit some yellows, but again, M2 with 600 horsepower, maybe more. And we had so much fun, so much cool. M2 faster on the straights, but this, nothing can match its emotions. Once I got dialed in with the car, realized what is possible, what's not possible, a weapon. Just like last year, I was super in love. Insane.